Hello, my name is Sammy. I'm the founder of Wildhaven Somatics, and today I'm going to bring you through a floorwork hoop dance tutorial. So the move that we'll be learning looks like this. And to the second side. Like so. So I just made a video about how to do that floor roll that you just saw. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to add a hoop to that. So go ahead and watch that previous video where I break down the floor roll in a little more detail. And in this one, I'll just be tagging along how to add the hoop and going through the roll itself in a little less detail. So the movement that the hoop is going to be doing is a barrel roll isolation, which looks like this standing. Some tips to isolate the hoop are to try to keep it connected to kind of your belt line, so that as you turn around, you feel the hoop connecting to the low back. And that'll help you kind of have a frame of reference for where the hoop is in space, because we're trying to maintain that isolation illusion that the hoop itself isn't moving, but our body is moving within it. So as we do the roll to the right, the hoop will be in my left hand. Stepping forward with the right foot first, and then sneaking the left leg behind as the hand comes overhead. The left hand comes overhead. And then as you complete the rotation of the body, the hand comes back down in front of the belly button. So let me show you how to do this with a floor roll. One notable difference is that you only have one hand to use on the floor, so I would definitely recommend getting comfortable with that floor roll before you do this, because you have one less hand. I'll start with the hoop in my left hand, and we're gonna travel to the right. So I have my left foot in front of me. I'm in this kind of lunge where I'm facing the right diagonal, right in relation to my space. So I'm gonna reach my right hand forward, and then I'm gonna bring my right knee in towards my right hand. From here, I'm going to sit down onto my right cheek as I start to initiate that barrel roll isolation. So the hoop comes overhead, and I'm doing that rainbow with the legs where they open and then cross again. So now my right foot is in front, kind of towards that diagonal, or it might be a little more straight on. Either way is fine. And you can use your right hand here and push into the right foot to come forward and to stand up. So going to the left, traveling to the left, I would start with the hoop in my right hand and my right leg forward. I'm reaching out with my left hand and then pulling my left knee in towards my left hand. As I sit down and start to turn around, the hoop comes over my head, and then as I push forward into my left foot to stand up, the hoop comes back down. So I'll turn around and demo it from the back as well. So traveling to the right, the left foot is forward in that lunge. The right hand comes down, the right knee comes down, and we pivot the legs around until the right foot is in front, and you can press into it to stand up. Going to the left. Right foot will be in front. Hoop is in the right hand. Is that right? Yes, that is right. So the hoop is in the right hand, and I'm traveling to the left. So I'll bring my left hand down, left knee in towards the left hand, and then isolate that hoop overhead, come into the left foot to come to standing. Okay, so now for that second, more advanced variation. I'm gonna travel to the right, so have my hoop in my left hand. Let me show you what it looks like first. And then to the left. Okay, traveling to the right. The hoop is in my left hand. I'm gonna bring my right hand forward, but instead of bringing my knee towards my hand, I'm actually gonna bring my left foot across my right foot, like on the outside of my right foot. I'm gonna press into my right hand and into both feet as I bring the hoop overhead, and then set the pelvis back down, recross the legs and come into that lunge to stand up. So demoing it, moving to the left. Hoops in the right hand. I'm gonna bring my left hand to the floor, bring my right hand behind the left as I lift the hips, press into both feet and your left hand, and then recross the legs to stand up. Here's what it looks like from the back. Traveling to the right, bringing my right hand down, hoop is in the left hand, I arch, lift the hips, set them down so my legs are in this wide second, and then recross to stand up. Traveling to the right, traveling to the left. My hoop is in my right hand. I'm gonna swing my left hand out to the floor, bring my right leg around, open the legs into a second, and then recross the legs to come into your lunge to stand up. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and feel free to share as well if there are any other variations besides that barrel roll that you find that you like doing with your hoop. Thanks for moving with me, and hope to move with you again soon.